So today we're going to be talking about stem cells. So Dr. Bar, if you could fill us in on what stem cells are.
Stem cells are superheroes. This is what we need in our body. We're born with them, and as we age, they get less and less. So each person has about 400,000 when they're here in life, and these are the superheroes, meaning that they will replicate, divide again to create the cells that we need. And the second function is healing and repair. So they're very important. Two major functions, superheroes.
I love that.
Yeah.
Where do stem cells come from?
Okay, so we have two sources in the human body where there is plethora of stem cells that we can actually harvest for you. Bone marrow is one, and the other one, the easy one, is the fat cells. So we can get them from the fat cells that we don't want.
And it's a little in-office procedure,
Yes,
right?
it is. Very simple. We've done it together.
Yes.
A mini liposuction, right? We just get 100 mLs. Do you remember that? And then we take that, we spin it down, we put it in a special machine. We have that big stem cell extraction machine.
Yep.
And then we can either infuse it back to you, and then you get an IV with stem cells, regenerates and heals. And then either the other option, we can send it to the bank.
Right.
And yes, we can bank your stem cells now. You can have your stem cells banked and available for a rainy day.
I love it. What are the options for when we get an IV of stem cells, or what do they do for us?
Okay, so stem cells are very important in the regenerative and an anti-aging world that we are all excited over. I love stem cells because, like, when we do an IV, generally it will be just going in every cell in your body. If your heart rate is 70, it goes every cell in your body will get it 70 times. There's a cycle, and these cells will go in, heal, repair, find out what's broken, what needs like the inflammation to be dampened down. And if something is not broken, then it reverses the aging process, which we can measure.
Yes. And other than IV therapy, how else can we receive stem cells?
Of course. So other ways we've been using them for treatments, we have so many clinical studies. We're part of Cell Surgical Network. We're going to be with them next month in Las Vegas. And now we can inject them in the joints. People know that now. So we can use them for arthritis, for broken bones, for broken joints or non-functioning joints. In a lot of the muscle injuries, we have a lot of athletes. We've been using them for people with chronic inflammation and autoimmune disease. It's great for prevention for Alzheimer, dementia, people that are worried about brain health.
Neurodegenerative tissues.
Yes, degenerative tissue and autoimmune disease. It's amazing for that. And of course, the aesthetics. We've talked about the pea shot.
Right.
Yeah, so aesthetics, enhancement of organs, male organs, or for females, they don't want to have the wrinkles and the lines. So these are natural ways. Instead of doing the Botox and fillers, we like to use stem cells.
I love it.
Yeah.
Well, we're very excited about this treatment over here at BarxMD. So please come in, visit us, and get your fountain of youth tapped.
Yes, fountain of youth.